Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself, and I'm today going to show you how to configure your side button to open the camera or even any application. So to do this operation, slide up, go to settings and search for the advanced feature. That's it. And there is a side button here and you can enable it or disable it, this function. Yep, and so in double press, now we can open the camera. On other case, you can choose some application to open. So let's try to figure it that is working. 1, 2. We have a pin, so yep, it's working. Nice. Live in camera. Yep, it's working. So, as you see, it's working and it's good. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!